everyone, myself Sahana, presently studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, branch of ISC, and today I'm going to speak about on the topic of domestic e-waste disposable. And let's begin the topic. Introduction to e-waste. E-waste refers to discarded electrical or electronic devices. This includes items such as computers, smartphones, and televisions. The rapid phase of technological advancement contributes to increasing e-waste generation. This is about the introduction to e-waste management. And next, importance of e-waste management. Proper e-waste disposal is crucial to prevent environmental pollution. E-waste contains hazardous materials that can leach into soil and water. Effective management can also recover valuable materials and reduce landfill use. This is about the importance of e-waste management. And next is common types of e-waste management and disposable. Next to common household e-waste includes items like old laptops and printers. Old items they'll use like old laptops and old printers for the household. And next other examples they'll use like mobile phones, and next gaming, and next consoles and kitchen appliances like kitchen items of the old household e-waste. And each type of e-waste has specific disposable and recycling requirements. Means each type of e-waste disposable as a specific means a specific type of disposable, and for recycling purpose for the requirements. And next, risks of improper disposable. Improper disposal can lead to toxic substances entering the environment. It poses health risks to humans and wildlife due to exposure to heavy metals. Landfills can become overloaded, leading to further disposable challenges. It poses health risk, a risk of improper without improper of disposable for humans like wildlife due to the exposure of the heavy metals that leads to improper disposable. And landfills can also become the overloaded for the risk of improper disposable, and it's leading for the disposable for the challenges. This is about the risk of improper disposable. And next, e-waste recycling process. Recycling begins with the collection and sorting of e-waste items. Uh, that begins with the collection of sorting and e-waste items. Devices are dismantled to separate recyclable materials from hazardous components. This means that they have separating the recyclable materials from the components of hazardous, and these devices are dismantled, and recovered materials can be used to create new products, reducing resource extraction. This means recovered materials can be used for creating the new products and for the resource extraction and for reducing the recycling process. This is about the e-waste recycling process. And next, local disposable options. Many cities offers designated e-waste recycling drop-off locations. This means many of the cities will be designated the e-waste recycling that will drop to the off locations. And some retailers provides take back programs for old electronics. They'll take back the programs for the old electronic devices. And next, community events may also be organized for safe e-waste collection. Community process will also be organized for the safe purpose of e-waste collection. This is about the local disposable options, and you can see the picture of local disposable options, how it is recycled the cities, and some retailers and community events can be organized. You can see the recycling guidelines of the picture. And DIY disposable methods. households can safely dismantle non-functioning devices of parts. Items like batteries and circuit boards should be stored until proper disposable is possible. Means until the proper disposable of recycling e-waste, the items like batteries and circuit boards should be stored until then. And next, households can safely dismantle, means households can safely maintain the non-functioning devices for parts. And next, it create reuse of old electronics can extend their life cycle and reduce waste. Means creative reusers uses the whole electronic devices that can be extend for their life cycle, and they'll reduce the e-waste disposable. And you can see the picture of recycling guidelines or how the DIY disposable methods will happen. And next, legislation and regulations. Various laws govern e-waste disposable, aiming to protect the environment. Means for the purpose of aiming to protect the environment, various law will govern, means will treat the e-waste disposable. And regulations often require manufacturers to take responsibility for their products. Regulations have taken care of the manufacturers to take the responsibility for the products of e-waste disposable. And consumers should be aware of local laws to ensure complement disposable methods. Means consumers should be aware of local laws, local laws of govern e-waste disposable for ensuring the disposable methods how it happens. And this is about the legislation and regulations of various law govern of the e-waste disposable. And next, the role of consumers. Consumers plays a vital role in reducing e-waste through responsible disposal. Means consumers will play a important role for reducing the e-waste for the responsible e-waste disposable. The next, educating oneself about e-waste recycling options is essential for effective participation. This means educating purpose about education purpose oneself should take care of about the e-waste recycling options for the essential purpose of the effective participation in the e-waste disposable. And next, advocating for sustainable practices can encourage manufacturers to improve product design. This means for sustainable practices, they'll encourage the manufacturers to improve the product design of e-waste disposable. And you can see the consumers and producers economic role play of this picture, NCS standard. And this is how the role of consumers will perform and play a vital role for reducing the e-waste disposable. And next, conclusion about the e-waste disposable management. Domestic and e-waste disposable management, that is they have effective domestic e-waste disposable is critical for environmental health. Means they'll effectively have a domestic e-waste disposable for that will affect for the environmental health. By understanding disposable options, consumers can contribute to sustainability efforts. By understanding the e-waste disposable options, consumers can contribute for the sustainable efforts methods. Next, collective actions can create a significant impact on minimizing e-waste generation. This means collective action can create a new significant impact on minimizing the e-waste disposable generation. And you can see the e-waste process: cell phones and its computers, monitors, printers, audio and video, small devices, others. This is all about the domestic and e-waste disposable, how the process will go on. Thank you.